He, do you know how to start conversation using informal greeting?
Yes, Larry. Let's start with informal greetings. Please tell me how you can say.
First word is hello.
Here is how you can say hello. Hello. A universal greeting that works for every conversation.
Okay, second word is he.
Hi, an informal and relaxed greeting.
Third word greeting.
Greetings. This is quite formal and rare these days, but could be used humorously among friends.
4th word is howdy.
Howdy. A casual greeting that is not commonly used, but can add some flavor to your English.
Okay.
I hope you understand how to use informal greetings.
Yes, thanks a lot.
Tell one sentence in which you are using hi.
Hey friend, how are you?
Good, nice example. When we will use hello.
Hello, my name is Larry.
Good.
Okay, bye, let's meet in next video with new information.